Hello everybody, we are back in the Science Center again, and if you may remember yesterday we did an easy ramp experiment. Well, today we're going to move up a little bit and we are going to do a medium, or at least try to do a medium. We're going to see how it turns out for us today. I'm doing a medium. So y'all are going to have to help me out because this one, easy, and then medium means it is not going to be quite so simple. So we are going to start out figuring out where this goes. Yes, always at the bottom. And we're going to see what we need to use. You can look at the card. Remember, we have two different sizes. We have our long one and we have our short ramps, magnetic ramps that stick to other metal. Remember? Wonder if this would stick to the wall. What do you think? Do you think the wall is made of metal? Let's try it with one of the shorter ones and see what happens. So, if I let this go with my hand, do you think it is a magnet or not? I'm going to put my hand down here just in case. Yes? No? Oh, no. The wall is not made of metal. It is a brick, okay? But our board here is made of a certain kind of metal. So, they do stick together. All right. So, let's look at our diagram. A diagram is a picture that shows you how to build something. It gives you an idea. So, we're going to look at our diagram. And we're going to see what we need to do first. We're going to start at the bottom or the top. The bottom and then go up. Okay. So, looky here. How many short ramps are we going to need today? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 short ramps, and I have some here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So we have enough short ramps to use. And how many long ramps? 1. Okay, we have 1 here. All right, boys and girls, you're going to have to help me out. Remember, we have to make sure the hole is at the bottom part, because what happens if we put it up here at the top? There's the hole, and the one above it does have a hole at the bottom, and it was over here. Do you want to see what would happen? Let's look and see. Now my hole is up here instead of down here on this one. What do you think is going to happen when I let the gear go? Okay, let's see if your guess is right. We're going to see what happens. And there's nothing wrong with guessing. It's a good thing to do and see if we can figure it out. All right, let's see what happens. Oh, that one was too big. It fell, didn't it? So let's try another one. Let's see what happens here. Oh, wow. What happened? It stopped because there wasn't a hole for it to fall down into. So, that could happen if the hole is in the wrong spot. And what if we have this over here? Now there's a hole here and here, but not here. So, what do you think is going to happen if we let it go? Let's see. Miss Dana doesn't know. We're going to figure this out together. So let's see what happens. Ready? Oh my goodness. It fell and just flew across the room. Okay, so we got to make sure our holes are in the right spot when we are doing this experiment. So we have our gear here. Let's scoot the table and get this one over here. And then we're going to build, pardon that loud noise. Okay, so let's get our diagram here and we're going to start building. Let me take this down. we can figure out what to do with our very first one. Okay, so let's look at the picture and see how we need to put it. Let's hold it up here and see what we need to do. Looks like the bottom part is about the 2 and the 3, if you can see where the hole should be. So, let's see. Does that look the same? Yeah? Okay. Alright, now, what about our next piece? The one above it. This one, right here. Okay? You tell me when to stop or how I need to put it. Is that correct? No? Okay. Tell me. Down, lower, like that? Oh, okay. Does that look right to you? Alright, okay. Let's put the next piece, this one, up here. Remember, the hole has to be lower. There's the hole. So, Miss Dana's putting it lower. Okay. Does that look the same? Pretty close? Okay. Now we're going to put this piece there. Piece number 4. I have it right here. Alright, let's put it up there. Is that correct? No? What do I need to do? Oh, okay. Move it up a little like that. Is that how it needs to go? CADC. Okay. Good deal. What piece are we on? See how many we have. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do this. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're on piece number 5. So let's get the 5th one up here. Number 5. Okay. Alright. Does that look the same? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It does? Okay. Alright. We got one more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is that right? Oh. It's not? Oh, you're right. This needs to come down. Okay. So far, so good? Does it look good to you guys? Look the same? Alright. Now we have to use our long piece. There's the hole. Does it need to go to the top or the bottom? Remember? Closer to the bottom. So, here we go. Look at the picture. Does it look pretty close to the same to you? Let me hold it up here. It does. Okay. Now let's see what gears. They're saying it's going to fall in number 2, which is in the middle. That's a number 2. That's where they're trying to get it to fall. Number 2. So we're going to see if our gears, and they want us to use, this says test this gear, then this gear. So let's find the gear that matches. What color is that? Orange. Okay. Which one of these is orange? The one in the middle. We're going to give it a test and see what happens. Are y'all ready? Do you think it's going to go all the way to the bottom? Do you think it's going to fall in number 2 in our container? We're going to see. Miss Dana doesn't know either. We're in this together. So, let's see if it falls like it's supposed to, or if it goes flying across. Sometimes that happens. So far, so good. Oh, look at what it did. It kind of fell and went up a little bit. Isn't that neat? It's doing the same thing every time. It's getting closer to the bottom. got so close and then fell. Let's try it here again and see what happens. That time it worked. All right. Yay! It did go in the second one. Now we need to try our other gear. Which one does it tell us to try? The yellow one. Is that yellow? It is yellow. Do you think this is going to go fast or slow? Why do you think that? Well, let's see. We'll start at the top. Let's see if it makes it all the way to the bottom or if it's too small. Let's see what's going to happen. It's moving pretty fast, isn't it? Yay! That worked the first time. Now, I know it doesn't say to use the big one, but do you want to see what happens with it? I want to see what happens. I want to see if it goes all the way to the bottom or if it gets stuck. Some of these are pretty close together, so do you think it may get stuck and not go to the bottom? We'll see. Let's see what happens. Is it going fast or slow? Woo! It was going slow and then sped up, didn't it? Let's see if it's going to go all the way. And it did! Yay! Alright, guys, that was a lot of fun to try to figure out. Now, tomorrow, we are going to have a hard diagram. And I know that's not very big. There's not a lot there. But it is still hard because we're trying to get them to go in different holes. So tomorrow we're going to see if we can make that work and if we can get the yellow and orange to go into the number 3 and the red one to go in 2. So we're going to see what happens tomorrow. So y'all come back and join me then for our day 3 of our experiment with our ramps. Have a great day, guys. Bye.